Welcome back. Let's solve the last question in the study of molarity and see what we get. What it says, a 100 ml sample of 0.6 mole per liter solution of H2SO4 is diluted to a final volume of 500 milliliter. What is the concentration of the diluted solution? Listen up, please. Listen. From this point, I said, what is the concentration? Here, we mean what is the molarity. I already established that molarity can also be called molar concentration, or we want to concentration purely, right? So first things first here, let's get a parameter. If you observe from my reading, I mentioned two volumes there. I said this is 100 ml and I have 500 ml. So I have two volumes there. So that the first volume will be called V1. Second volume will call what there we call V2. Solution here. Solution. First is first. I have V1 as being equal to 100 ml. My volume should be in liter, no ml. This becomes 100 times 10 to the power minus 3 liters there. Alright. I have V2. What's V2 there? So this V2, that's 500 ml. So that becomes 500 times 10 to the power minus 3 signifies m there. I have my liter here. Alright. I have two volume here. Next up, I have this one here is my, if this one is first volume, of course, here's what? My what? Mole per liter. That's molarity. So that's my first molarity. So molarity at section 1 is equal to what there? 0.6 mole per liter. Alright, I have this. Next up, I'm asked to find the concentration, that is another molarity. So that becomes what there? If this one is 1, molarity at section 2 is unknown. So I'm asked to find molarity at section 2. So first, let's get this done, please. So solution. First, we know that, listen, in this case here, I have two stuff here. I have section 1 and section 2. So let's start section 1 first. And then from section 1, we'll dive into section 2. For section 1, for section 1, it's easier for me to get mole from section 1. That is, we know that molarity at section 1 is equal to mole over what? Volume at section 1. Right? So there's the concept, please. We cannot get mole. Let's get mole. Mole is equal to the product of what? Molarity at section 1 times what? Volume at section 1. This is now equal to molarity at 1. That's of course 0.6 times volume at section 1 is of course 100 times 10 to the power minus 3. From here, mole is now equal in value to 0.6 times 100 to the power minus 3. Of course, I have about 6 times 10 to the power minus 7. Of course, mole is MOL. Alright, that's your first task, get mole. So we're asked to find molarity at section 2. That is, what is the concentration of the other solution? So that's molarity. So molarity at section 2. So for section 2 there, we know that molarity, or perhaps the word concentration at section 2 is equal to mole over volume at section 2. Of course, molarity at section 2 will be equal to mole is of course 6 times 10 to the power minus 7 over volume at 2. Volume at 2 is of course 500 times 10 to the power minus 3. So let's get the concentration, right? Use the word concentration, which is same thing as molarity, right? Is equal to 6 times 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 500 times 10 to the power negative 3. So this will give about 1.2 times 10 to the power minus 12. Please, molarity of 1 to concentration is measured in what? Is measured in mole per liter. Alright, this is how you solve this particular problem in the concept of molarity. Alright, see you in the next class. We will look at yet other topics. Do well to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Do well to write topics that you need in the comment section below. So any topic you feel like I should teach, do well to leave the topic in the comment section. I'll reply you as soon as I can. Alright, see you in the next class, and welcome to Excellence Link Academy. Also do well to visit my website at www.ghanabakri.com. In my website, I have close to 300 tutorial videos for JAMB and WAEC students. So if you are actually writing JAMB this year, you can go to my website and purchase the video. So once you buy the video, perhaps you purchase the video, the lifetime access, right? A lifetime access. You have ability to close to 300 plus video for mathematics, chemistry, and physics. And also for university students or perhaps a student student, you get courses, engineering courses in my website. Right, do well to visit my website and also follow up in our social media platform. All right, see you in our next class. Hold on guys a little bit. Let me tell you what you need to know. Actually, I'm running a membership program, right, which can help you a lot. So to join my channel membership, it's quite easy task, right? As you can see the icon I'm showing you here, that icon is my membership opportunities, which you can access monthly. So I'll drop the link to the membership in the description of this video, right? So just click there, click on the membership link, so you purchase the one you want. So I have for JAMB and WAEC classes, and also I have for 100 level students. So whichever one suits you, click there and subscribe. Perhaps click there and purchase the one of your choice. Anyone you purchase, there are several advantage videos that I will not allow people to see. So it's for only those who have joined the channel that will have access to those even advanced problems. And also I do help students from different countries to solve their assignments. So if you're in UK or abroad or Canada or anywhere you are in the world and you want me to help you do your assignments, you can simply you can simply visit me on my WhatsApp number, or also share this video. I'll drop a link to a website there. In the website, you can register with us and you let us know which assignment you want us to help you to do. Do well to join the channel. Thank you. You can proceed with your learning now.